Hi there. In this video we're going to do a small experiment demonstrating the laws of reflection. Here is the laws of reflection. If you have an incident ray coming at an angle I with respect to the normal, a normal is perpendicular to your mirror. This is your mirror. So if it comes at an angle of incident I and the ray goes out with an angle of reflection R, the laws of reflection says angle I will be equal to angle R, and it also says the incident, normal and the reflected ray will all be in the same plane. So in this case it will be the same plane as your screen or monitor. It cannot, the reflected ray cannot go out of the monitor or into the monitor or screen. So I hope you enjoy this experiment. Here is an experiment to prove the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. In this experiment we have a small mirror with protractor printed, and we have a ray of light that comes from our light box. So this is our light box. So we close it so that we don't get excess of light. And once we do that, you can see that when light comes straight normal to the mirror, it goes back in the same direction. And as we change the angle of incidence, let's say the angle of incidence here is 10, you can see that the angle of reflection is also 10. Changing the angle of reflection to, let's say, 20, angle of incidence is 20, your reflection is also 20, angle of incidence is, let's say, 40. Here you can see the ray of light. Exactly, light is entering at 40 degrees to the normal. This is your normal, and you can see 40 degrees here, and the exit ray is also at 40 degrees from the normal, right? So I can change this angle to, let's say, 50. Yep, and you see more or less, so this is 50 degrees and exit is 50 degrees, and 60 degrees is 60 degrees. Again, yep, 60 degrees. And let's do an extreme value, which is 80 degrees. Yeah, that's 80 degrees. So that's, your incident is 80 and reflected is 80 degrees. Now what this means is that if you have a pencil or something over here, you can observe when you're standing here and observing, the light ray from the pencil hits the mirror and comes to you at this angle. So that's the implication of this. So I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next one.